хочу добиться снятия этого ложного обвинения. Больше ничего не написано.
Assalamu alaikum, greetings to all. Today is June 18th and we have gathered in the city of Berlin in front of the Romanian embassy. We are carrying out an action here against the extradition of Amina Gerikhanova to territory of the Russian Federation. Amina Gerikhanova was detained by the Romanian authorities as she was on the Interpol wanted list. It was included in this international search engine by the Russian Federation. All the accusations leveled against her are unfounded, and today we came out to ask the Romanian authorities not to make this huge mistake that could cost the life of Amina and her young child. This situation that has arisen today, the detention of Amina and the threat of extradition in which she is blasphemous, since today the whole world sees what Russia is, who Putin is, what she is doing. Literally, recently we saw the events that took place in Bucha. These are killed children, civilian stories, dozens of stories about the rape of women, and today the European state wants to give Amina into the hands of this regime. We appeal to all sensible citizens of Romania as well as politicians who respect human rights, have at least some humanity. We ask you not to make this mistake, because Amina Gerikhanova may lose her health or be subjected to a long term of imprisonment, illegal imprisonment, torture or death. Today we can say with confidence that there is no justice in Russia. I would also like to thank Interpol for the fact that they are now checking the requests that the Russian Federation sends. We found Interpol as one of the most adequate and reasonable organizations. But I would like to ask Interpol to the international community to pay attention to Russia being excluded from Interpol membership, so that Russia cannot persecute the Chechen people using this organization, because the charter of this organization provides that people cannot be persecuted with the help of this organization for political or religious reasons. But today, the total number of Chechens who are on the Interpol wanted lists exceeds the list of citizens of the United States and China combined. That is, if you listen to Russia, it turns out that the entire Chechen people are just criminals, terrorists, and swindlers. There are hundreds of stories, dozens of which fortunately were completed successfully. People were lucky not to be handed over to the Russian criminal system. There is no other way to call it. I thank all those gathered people who left their affairs today, came here to show their solidarity. Also today, many women of our sisters came who are also worried about the fate of Amina as a woman. First of all, women will understand best of all what it is like to be alone without any support in captivity, not knowing what will happen tomorrow.
Freedom for Amina Gerikhanova. Stop Amina's extradition to Russia.